In the realm of nutrition, trends come and go, but some foods stand the test of time, earning a revered place in culinary traditions and health practices. Among these, ghee, a clarified form of butter, has emerged as a quintessential superfood celebrated for its myriad health benefits and culinary versatility. Originating from ancient Indian cooking, ghee is not just a staple in South Asian cuisines, it has gained global recognition as a powerful health-enhancing ingredient. This article delves into the reasons why ghee is considered the ultimate superfood, exploring its nutritional profile, health benefits, and uses in modern diets. What is ghee? Ghee is made by simmering unsalted butter to separate the milk solids and water from the fat. The process involves melting the butter, allowing it to boil and bubble until the milk solids sink to the bottom and turn golden brown. The remaining liquid is then strained, resulting in a clear, golden fat known as ghee. This preparation not only enhances the flavor but also increases its shelf life and nutritional profile. Nutritional profile of ghee. One of the key reasons ghee is hailed as a superfood is its impressive nutritional composition. Healthy fats. Ghee is rich in saturated fats, predominantly in the form of medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs), which are easily digestible and provide quick energy. These fats support brain health and contribute to overall well-being. Vitamins. Ghee is a source of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins play essential roles in immune function, vision, bone health, and antioxidant activity. Butyrate. Ghee contains butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid beneficial for gut health. Butyrate supports the health of the intestinal lining, reduces inflammation, and may even play a role in preventing certain diseases. Conjugated linoleic acid (CLA). Ghee is a source of CLA, which has been linked to improved body composition, fat loss, and enhanced immune function. Lactose and casein-free. The process of making ghee eliminates lactose and casein, making it suitable for those with dairy sensitivities or intolerances. Health benefits of ghee. The health benefits of ghee extend far beyond its nutritional composition. Here are several reasons why ghee is considered a superfood. Promotes digestive health. Ghee is known to enhance digestion by stimulating the secretion of stomach acids. The butyrate in ghee also promotes a healthy gut microbiome and may help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and constipation. Supports immune function. The antioxidants present in ghee, along with its anti-inflammatory properties, contribute to a robust immune system. Regular consumption of ghee may help the body fight off infections and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Enhances absorption of nutrients. Fat is crucial for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Consuming ghee with other foods can enhance the bioavailability of these nutrients, ensuring that the body receives maximum nutritional benefits. Aids weight management. While ghee is calorie-dense, its MCT content can aid in weight management. MCTs are metabolized differently than long-chain fatty acids, promoting fat burning and potentially reducing fat storage in the body. Supports heart health. Contrary to the misconception that saturated fats are harmful, moderate consumption of ghee can be beneficial for heart health. The presence of CLA and beneficial fatty acids may help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular health. Boosts brain function. The healthy fats in ghee, particularly MCTs, are brain-friendly. They provide a quick source of energy for the brain and may support cognitive function, memory, and mood stability. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ghee contains compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing the risk of inflammatory diseases. Its use in Ayurvedic medicine has long been linked to promoting balance and healing in the body. Skin and hair benefits. Ghee can be applied topically to the skin and hair, providing hydration and nourishment. Its rich fatty acid profile may help soothe dry skin, reduce eczema symptoms, and promote shiny, healthy hair. Culinary versatility of ghee. Beyond its health benefits, Ghee is celebrated for its culinary versatility. It has a high smoke point around 450 F or 232 C, making it an ideal choice for cooking methods such as frying, sautéing, and roasting. Unlike many cooking oils, ghee does not break down under high heat, preserving its nutritional integrity and flavor. Here are some ways to incorporate ghee into your diet. Cooking: use ghee in place of butter or oil for sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, or searing meats. Its rich, nutty flavor enhances the taste of dishes. Baking: ghee can be used as a substitute for butter in baking recipes, adding a unique flavor and moisture to baked goods. Spreads and dips: blend ghee with herbs, spices, or garlic to create flavorful spreads or dips for bread, crackers, or vegetables. Drizzling: drizzle melted ghee over popcorn, cooked vegetables, or grains to elevate the dish with added richness. Smoothies: add a spoonful of ghee to smoothies for a creamy texture and a boost of healthy fats. Coffee or tea: try adding ghee to your morning coffee or tea for a luxurious, creamy beverage that provides sustained energy. Ghee in different cultures: ghee has a significant cultural presence in various cuisines around the world. In Indian cooking, it is often used in traditional dishes, emphasizing its importance in Ayurvedic practices. Ghee is considered a sacred food in Hindu culture, used in religious rituals and offerings. In Middle Eastern cuisine, ghee is a common ingredient in pilafs and pastries, adding depth and richness to the dishes. Additionally, in African cooking, it is often blended with spices to create flavorful sauces and marinades. Conclusion: ghee stands out as the ultimate superfood, combining nutritional richness with culinary versatility. Its health benefits, from promoting digestive health to supporting brain function, make it a valuable addition to any diet. As we continue to explore and embrace the wisdom of traditional foods, ghee remains a timeless ingredient that nourishes the body and delights the palate. In a world where health trends often fluctuate, ghee's enduring status as a superfood serves as a reminder of the importance of whole, natural foods. Whether you are looking to enhance your cooking or boost your health, incorporating ghee into your diet may be one of the simplest yet most effective changes you can make. So, the next time you reach for cooking oil or butter, consider the golden elixir of ghee, and enjoy the myriad benefits it has to offer.